Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by freeing obvious but impactful space. Open Disk Cleanup, choose the drive, then click Clean Up System Files to remove Windows Update files and temporary files. Once done, inspect Downloads and Recycle bin and delete items older than 30 days. This removes clutter quickly. Make sure Storage Sense is enabled in Setting System Storage so Windows can automatically remove temp files and unused content. This first pass removes large, recoverable files and prevents immediate regrowth of clutter. Next, you tackle installed applications and hidden caches. Go to Settings Apps, sort apps by size, and uninstall those you no longer use. This reclaims significant space. If an app supports it, use the Move option to shift it to another drive, which keeps your system drive lean. Then open Storage temporary files and clear installer caches, old Windows installations, and log files. By targeting both apps and system-level caches, you reduce long-term storage pressure and improve system performance. To finish, perform advanced cleanup and verify results. Run Storage Sense or a trusted third-party cleaner for a deeper sweep. Then open an elevated command prompt and run dism with dism/online/cleanupimage/start component cleanup to shrink WinSXS safely. Once complete, reboot and confirm free space in File Explorer. If you still lack space, check the drive for errors, chkdsk, and search for large duplicate files or hidden user profiles. If a command fails, make sure you ran it as administrator and that backups exist before deleting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.